Presenting a pre-owned 2012 BMW. This four-door sedan has a six-cylinder, 3.0-liter i6 engine, with rear-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. This BMW has less than 71,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 23 miles per gallon in the city, and 33 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Ask to see the free auto check vehicle history report. Key features include premium package, premium sound package, technology package, satellite radio, automatic climate control, MP3 player, anti-lock brakes, cruise control, keyless entry, power steering, universal remote, moonroof, leather seats, power door locks, stability control, traction control, Bluetooth, and power windows.